The first experiment is oil and water. Let us see what we need for this experiment. First one, oil. Color, paintbrush. Spoon, glass, some water. Let us start the experiment. First, we'll take some water and pour into the glass. Next, take a paintbrush. Add color into the water. Now pour oil into the water. Mix oil and water. See, oil and water is not getting mixed. While water mixes with other liquids to form solutions, oil and water does not. Water molecules are strongly attracted to each other. This is same for oil because they are more attracted to their own molecules. They just don't mix together. They separate and the oil floats above water as it has a low density. The second experiment is floating eggs. For this experiment, we need egg, salt, spoon, 2 glasses of water. Now we will add 3 spoons of the salt into the water. Now we'll mix the salt and water. Slowly we will pour water into the salt water. Now slowly put the egg in the solution. Let us see whether the egg floats or sinks. Salt water is denser than ordinary tap water. The denser the liquid, the easier it is for an object to float in it. When you lower the egg into the liquid, it drops through normal tap water until it reaches the salty water. At this point, the water is dense enough for the egg to float. If you were careful when you added the tap water to the salt water, they will not have mixed, enabling the egg to float in the middle of the glass. The third experiment is how to know difference between raw egg and boiled egg. For this, we need one raw egg and one boiled egg. Now put the eggs on the glass and spin them. Raw eggs' center of gravity changes as the whitened yolk move around inside the shell, causing the wobbling motion. Even after you touch the shell, it continues moving. This is because of inertia. Inertia causes the raw egg to spin even after you have stopped it. For boiled egg, it responds much quicker if you touch it.